After 60, there's a subtle but unsettling shift many seniors quietly notice. Your eyes take longer to focus in the morning. Words on the page seem fuzzier. You walk into a room and pause, trying to remember why you went there in the first place. Most people are told this is just normal aging, something you have to accept. But what if that isn't the full story? These changes are often a clear signal that your eyes and brain are not getting the deep overnight repair they desperately need. While you sleep, your body should rebuild memory pathways, refresh your vision, and sweep away the waste that clouds your thinking. Yet studies show that a majority of adults over 60 are missing key nutrients that support this nightly repair cycle, especially in the retina and the memory centers of the brain. The result? You wake up feeling foggy. Your vision strains faster when reading or looking at a screen. And by the afternoon, your focus seems to run out.
That is perfect.
The good news is, it doesn't have to stay this way. In today's video, we'll explore 5 powerful science-backed juices that help nourish your brain and eyes from the inside out. 4 of them you may have heard about before, and 1 is a surprising addition most seniors overlook. Stay with me until the end, and you'll discover a simple daily rhythm to use these juices to support clearer vision, sharper memory, and a more confident, energized mind at any age. Now, before we dive into each juice, it's important to understand why these natural nutrients matter so much after 60. As we age, the tiny blood vessels that feed our eyes and brain start to narrow, reducing the flow of oxygen and slowing the movement of essential nutrients. At the same time, the body's ability to fight inflammation weakens, allowing small amounts of damage to build up day after day. Over the years, these minor changes accumulate and begin affecting how clearly you see, how quickly you think, and how easily you recall important details. But the remarkable thing is that your body is still capable of repair. It simply needs the right support. Nutrient-dense juices provide concentrated antioxidants, vitamins, and plant compounds that help protect delicate retinal cells, boost circulation, and energize the parts of the brain responsible for memory and focus. Unlike supplements, these juices deliver nutrients in a natural form your body can absorb and use immediately. In this next section, we'll walk through each of the 5 juices and what makes them so effective for older adults. You'll discover how specific nutrients influence visual clarity, how they defend against age-related memory decline, and how timing your juices throughout the day can make a noticeable difference. Whether you're dealing with blurry vision, slower recall, or general mental fatigue, the right combination of these juices can offer gentle, consistent support for long-term brain and eye health. Blueberry juice, the first juice for clearer vision and sharper memory. Blueberry juice is one of the most powerful natural tools for adults over 50 looking to protect and restore their vision and memory. These small berries contain some of the richest levels of anthocyanins, the deep blue antioxidants that directly support your brain and eyes. Once absorbed, these compounds help defend the retina from light damage, reduce dryness, and support the tiny cells responsible for sending visual signals to the brain. For many people over 50, this means less eye strain when reading and a smoother adjustment between bright and dim light. But the benefits go far beyond eyesight. Blueberries are one of the few fruits with antioxidants that can cross the blood-brain barrier. reaching the areas responsible for memory, focus, and recall. Studies show that regular blueberry intake may improve processing speed, strengthen communication between neurons, and support long-term memory health. Over time, this can help reduce forgetfulness and improve mental sharpness during daily tasks. Another advantage of blueberry juice is how quickly your body can use it. Because it's light and easily absorbed, its nutrients become available fast, making it especially effective when consumed in the evening, about 90 minutes before bed. This gives your brain the support it needs during its natural nighttime repair cycle. For anyone over 50 who wants clearer sight, steadier focus, and stronger memory, blueberry juice is an excellent first step in a simple daily routine that supports long-term brain and eye health. Carrot juice, the second juice for stronger eyes and better daily focus. Carrot juice is the second powerful juice for adults over 50 who want to strengthen their eyesight and support steady mental performance throughout the day. Carrots are naturally rich in beta-carotene, a nutrient your body converts into vitamin A, which plays a critical role in protecting and nourishing the retina. This essential vitamin helps your eyes adapt to low light, reduces dryness, and supports clearer reading vision. Many adults over 50 find that incorporating carrot juice into their morning routine makes printed text easier to see and reduces eye strain during everyday tasks. The benefits extend beyond your eyes. Carrot juice contains antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two major contributors to slower thinking and diminished focus with age. These antioxidants support the brain cells involved in attention and memory, helping you stay mentally steady and more alert throughout the day. Because carrot juice is light and easy to digest, its nutrients are absorbed efficiently, making it an excellent choice early in the morning. To enhance absorption, pairing carrot juice with a small amount of healthy fat, such as a few walnuts or a teaspoon of olive oil, can help your body use the carotenoids more effectively. Over time, consistent use of carrot juice can help support brighter vision, smoother reading, and a more energized, confident mind. For adults over 50 seeking a simple, dependable habit to improve both vision and focus, carrot juice remains one of the most effective natural options available. Its steady support can make a noticeable difference in daily comfort, clarity, and mental sharpness. Grape juice, the third juice for better circulation and sharper thinking. Grape juice is the third powerful juice for adults over 50 who want to support clearer thinking and healthier vision through improved circulation. Purple grapes are naturally rich in Resveratrol, one of the most studied plant compounds for brain and eye health. Resveratrol is known for its ability to protect blood vessels, keep them flexible, and support smooth blood flow to the brain. As circulation improves, the brain receives more oxygen and nutrients, which can help reduce mental fatigue and make daily thinking tasks feel more effortless. For the eyes, grape juice supports the tiny capillaries responsible for delivering nutrients to the retina. With age, these delicate vessels can weaken, leading to dryness, eye strain, or slower visual processing. The antioxidants in grape juice help defend these structures from oxidative damage, supporting overall visual comfort and long-term retinal health. Many adults over 50 notice that their eyes feel less tired and adjust more easily between bright and dim environments after incorporating grape juice into their routine. Another advantage of grape juice is its high content of polyphenols, which help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Lower inflammation levels can support steadier focus, clearer mental energy, and a calmer, more balanced mood.
They protect and repair your
Because grape juice is naturally sweet and easy to drink, it becomes a simple addition to the day without requiring extra preparation. The best time to enjoy grape juice is late morning or early afternoon, when many adults experience a natural dip in energy. Drinking it consistently can help support smoother circulation, brighter vision, and steady cognitive performance, making everyday tasks feel easier and more enjoyable. Spinach juice, the fourth juice for stronger retinal protection and mental clarity. Spinach juice is the fourth essential juice for adults over 50 who want to strengthen their vision and maintain steady mental clarity. Spinach is naturally rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two protective carotenoids that play a central role in supporting the macula, the part of your retina responsible for sharp, detailed vision. As adults age, levels of these pigments decline, making the eyes more sensitive to glare, brightness, and prolonged screen use. Drinking spinach juice regularly can help replenish these nutrients, giving your eyes the support they need to stay comfortable and focused throughout the day. Beyond visual benefits, spinach juice also offers meaningful support for brain function. It contains folate, a B vitamin essential for the production of neurotransmitters involved in attention, motivation, and emotional balance. Many adults over 50 experience dips in concentration or mood as folate levels naturally decline. By supplying folate in an easily absorbed form, spinach juice can help support more stable cognitive energy and clearer thinking. Spinach is also a source of vitamin K, which supports the health of the myelin sheath, the protective coating that helps nerve signals travel quickly and efficiently. When myelin weakens, reaction time slows, and mental processing can feel less sharp. Drinking spinach juice consistently can help reinforce these communication pathways. For best results, spinach juice is most effective when consumed mid-morning or before lunch, allowing your body to absorb its nutrients without interference from heavier meals. With steady use, many adults over 50 report improved visual comfort, stronger focus, and a calmer, more balanced sense of mental clarity. Beet juice, the fifth juice for better blood flow and steadier mental energy. Beet juice is the fifth important juice for adults over 50 who want to improve circulation, support sharper thinking, and maintain healthy vision as they age. Beets are naturally high in dietary nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that helps blood vessels relax and widen. When circulation improves, more oxygen and nutrients reach both the brain and the eyes. This can help reduce afternoon fatigue, support clearer thinking, and improve the overall comfort of your vision during daily tasks. For the eyes, beet juice helps protect the small blood vessels in the retina. These vessels can become less flexible with age, leading to slower visual processing or increased eye strain. Nitric oxide supports healthier vessel function, allowing the retina to receive steady nourishment and maintain clearer visual signals. Many adults over 50 report that their eyes feel less tired and more responsive when beet juice becomes part of their routine. Beet juice also supports mental performance by boosting oxygen flow to the brain. Better oxygenation can help reduce mental fog, improve reaction time, and support stronger short-term memory. Because beet juice works quickly, many people feel a noticeable difference within hours of drinking it. making it especially helpful during low-energy times of the day. The ideal time to drink beet juice is between 2 and 4 in the afternoon, when natural energy levels often dip. Consistent use can help maintain smoother circulation, a brighter sense of alertness, and better overall eye comfort. For adults over 50 seeking a simple way to support stronger brain and eye function, beet juice remains one of the most effective and fast-acting natural choices. Final thoughts. Your daily path to better vision and memory. As we reach the final part of today's guide, it's clear that supporting your eyes and brain after 50 doesn't need to be complicated. Each of the 5 juices we've covered offers its own unique benefits, and together they create a simple, steady routine that can help your days feel clearer, calmer, and more energized. Consistency matters. Your body responds best when it receives small, daily support rather than occasional effort. With regular use, these juices help nourish the retina, improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and give your brain the natural fuel it needs to stay sharp. The goal isn't dramatic overnight change. It's gradual improvement you can feel in real life. Easier reading in the morning, less eye strain in the afternoon, or smoother recall during conversations. These small improvements build up quietly, restoring confidence in your vision and your mind over time. As you make these juices part of your day, choose the times that feel most natural and comfortable. Whether it's blueberry in the evening, carrot juice in the morning, or beet juice during an afternoon dip, your consistency matters more than perfection. If this guide has been helpful for you, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe for more practical health tips designed for adults over 50. And if you know someone who might benefit from this information, feel free to share the video with them. Thank you for spending your time here today, and I'll see you in the next video.